Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Just click that red button in the lower right hand corner and you'll be all set. Today we're going to do a little different video here. Gonna start doing some work on my garage to my house here. So the first thing I wanted to get was some lights put in. If you guys haven't seen these before, these are LED deformable lamp lights for your garage or warehouse or small wood shop if you have one. And I'm gonna give them a shot and see what happens. I found these on Amazon for 30 bucks, free shipping, and decided to give them a try since I only have one light out in the garage. Hopefully this will be a little bit better. But let me show you what we got here. Like I said, these are on Amazon. I'll leave the link, if I can, on the video down below where the information is at, or description. I'll leave a link for you guys if you want to. It'll take you right to the page for this. But what's checking this out, and there doesn't seem to be a name brand, so it must be a generic type of lighting or something. I don't know. I don't even know where it's from, if it's from China or not. I'll leave that information down below, but I don't think it's from China. But anyway, the neat thing about these lights is they screw directly into the socket, so there's no wiring involved, anything like that. You can adjust the panels also, and yeah, let's give it a shot here, see what it looks like. I kind of opened it already to kind of check it out here, but there you go. This comes off, see, it screws right in to the socket. Let me get this out of here real quick and get my glasses out of the way. Let's get this out of the box, and that's what it looks like. It's got three LED panels on each side. So, and also these panels are fully adjustable. They bend down or upwards, or well, not upwards, but down. They can bend down like that. You can adjust them all the way. And we're gonna put this thing up in the garage and see what it does. Like I say, for 30 bucks, and it's really heavy duty too. It's really heavy. I mean, it's good quality. It's all metal. The LED lights, I think the outside here is plastic, but yeah, you get the LED lights inside of it. So we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. And I'll close the garage door and everything for where it's dark, and then we'll see what it looks like. So let me pause the video. We'll get this thing up in the air and see what it looks like. But yeah. There it is. Like I said, I don't know if it's a generic brand or what, but anyway, we'll see. Okay, guys, there it is. There's the installation of it. It's very, very simple. It screws right into where the old light bulb was at. I'll get a closer look here for you, so you see how this works. It just screws right in there. These things are adjustable, so you can come down or move around or whatever you need to do. So I haven't turned them on yet, so we're going to see what happens. I'm going to close the garage door and check it out and see how much light it puts out. So here we go. Let's see. So I'm going to shut the garage door here, and we'll see what happens. What kind of light this thing puts out. Okay, there we go. Not too bad. Yeah, as soon as that garage door opener goes off, we have a better idea. But wow, yeah, they are bright too, man. So, like I said, you can adjust them wherever you want. It's putting out some damn good light here. A lot more than I thought from a single light bulb. But there you go, guys. If you're looking for garage lights, check this out. 30 bucks, you can't beat it. Like I said, I'll try and leave the link in the description below, which will take it to the page where I got these. But Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. We're going to be doing some stuff with the garage here. I'm going to be doing some painting on the walls here. We'll be painting the walls, and we'll be putting a floor in also. Probably a tile floor. We're going to put in, I'm going to think about race deck or Swiss tracks. Don't know yet, but we're going to be doing that. So I'll also be filming that also. But check out these lights, guys. If you need some lights in your garage, this is a great thing here, man. There you are off now. So yeah, they do really well. I'm really surprised. So we'll catch you all later. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments down below. And we'll catch you in the next video, guys.